Hey guys, welcome to my channel Harish Automation Talks. So from this session to the next couple of sessions, let's learn about a Java programming. Okay. So the reason why I started these Java sessions in the very early stages of our Selenium series is because everyone should learn a programming language before they actually start learning about the Selenium. Because Selenium is a browser automation tool. You cannot go and directly automate the web application directly with the Selenium. Here you need a Java support, a programming language support. Here it was Java, but it could be a Python, C Sharp, JavaScript, or some other programming language as well. So if you start learning Java here in this early stage, so you will never face an issue in understanding the concepts further. Hope you got like why we need to learn Java programming here in the early stage. Okay, let's get into the actual topic. So what are we going to discuss today? So what is Java? Why Java programming is named as Java? And the types of Java applications, features of Java, a difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. And yeah, what is Java? So Java is a programming language and a platform. It's a high-level, robust, object-oriented, and secure programming language. It's actually developed by the Sun Microsystems in the year 1995, but it was now a subsidiary of Oracle. And the James Gosling is known as the father of Java. So before the name Java, its name was Oak. Since Oak was already a registered company, so the James Gosling and his team they changed the name from Oak to Java, right? And what is platform? So here I told you, right? So Java is a programming language and a platform. So now what is a platform? So any hardware or software environment in which a program runs is known as a platform. Since a Java is a runtime environment and API, it is called a platform. So let's discuss about why Java programming named Java. So why they choose the name Java for the Java language? I mean, the James Gosling and his team. So this team gathered and they were discussing to choose a new name for this Java. I mean, so before it was a Oak, right? So they just gathered and discussing about they have to put a new name for this. So the team suggested many names, like as you seen in the seeing in the screen, like dynamic, revolutionary, silk, some etc. So they just wanted something that should reflect the essence in the essence of the technology. It could be some revolutionary dynamic or something, right? So but according to the James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices along with the Silk. So that Silk and Java, these two the team has decided. So from the Java and Silk they has to select one. Since Java was so unique, so most of the team members preferred Java than other names. So why they put this Java? Why they selected is Java? Is Java is an island in Indonesia. So where the first coffee was produced. So it is a kind of espresso bean. So Java name was chosen by the James Gosling actually. So while having a cup of coffee nearby his office. So here is why the Java programming is named as Java. And let's see about what are the types of Java applications we have. So mainly there are four types of applications that can be created using the Java programming. Those are a standalone application, web application, enterprise application, and a mobile application. So what is a standalone application? Standalone applications are also known as a desktop application. Let's say you have your system and you are installing some antivirus software in your system. It could be a laptop or some desktop. So that antivirus software which you are installing in your machine is nothing but a standalone application. So any application which is you installing in your desktop, it's nothing but a standalone application. And the second one is a web application. And a web application that runs on the server side and creates a dynamic page is called a web application. Let's say you want to purchase something. It's no, it's in a Amazon. So you have some URL. You took that URL and you're searching that in a browser. So any application which you're searching in a browser, that is nothing but a web application. And enterprise application. So this enterprise application, it's like a distributed in nature, such as the banking application, or it could be some insurance applications. So these application, it has the advantages of the high level security and which has the heavy load balancing. So this is nothing but an enterprise application and the mobile application. So like most of you guys know like what is mobile application. So it's like a WhatsApp, Instagram kind of applications which you install it from the Play Stores from Android. So those are nothing but mobile applications, right? So these are the types of applications, and let's know a features of Java. So this simple Java is simple. Java is object oriented. Java is platform independent. It was secure, robust, and high performance. So what is why Java is very simple? Because its syntax is very simple when compared to the other programming languages. And Java is object oriented. In Java, everything is object, right? But you cannot say Java is 100% object oriented because it also has the primitive data types. So it's a big concept. We'll discuss in the further sessions. And now let's go to the next one. Java is a platform independence. So this platform independent is nothing but like you just write your code once and it can be run in any machine. It means like the code, I mean the byte code. So the byte code you can run it in any missions. So it's like write once, run it multiple missions. And Java is secured because you can develop virus-free softwares using this Java. So it was very secure. And Java is robust. So it has Java is robust because it has a very huge memory management system, and it has like exception handlings, and so it also has the garbage collection. Because so if any of the thing you are not using in the Java, so the garbage collector it will collect, so you don't need to do any other things to collect the garbage in your code. So it's like a robust programming language, and Java is a high performance, and because it was like Java is very speed. So because that is the reason it provides a high performance. And the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. So see, these three things, if you see it in any other YouTube videos or in any other blogs, so you might not understand because those were written very lengthy. Let me explain you in very simple terms. So JDK is for Java developers and includes everything needed for Java development, including JRE. So let's say you want to develop an application with using Java. So you have to install this JDK in your machine. So it has both JDK and JRE. So what is JRE? We'll discuss in the next step. So JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit. The developers actually who develops that application needs this, right? So it has to be installed in their system to develop the Java applications. And what is JRE? So JRE is for end users who want to run Java applications, and it includes the JVM, right? So let's say a developer has developed an application, and actual users, the end users, let's say you developed a banking application, and while developing you need both JDK and JRE, because to develop we need JDK, to execute it, to run that application we need JRE, right? So and your development was done and you ran it and it was working, and now you have to go and install this application in a bank, let's say some XYZ bank, right? So for them they don't need JDK because they are not going to develop it, they're just going to run the application. So for them this JRE is more than enough, and it includes the JVM. JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Machine. So this is a virtual machine. It's not a physical machine. So big and let's discuss about this JVM in the next line. So hope you got like what is JRE. So it's used for the end users who actually runs their applications in their machines, who do not want to develop, just they want to run their applications. And what is JVM? JVM is the core component that executes the Java bytecode and ensures the platform independence. So I've written it here like basically this JVM takes the compiled Java code, which is a bytecode, and translate into a machine code for the specific platform on which it was running. So it was basically a virtual machine. it takes this compiled Java code and translate it to the machine understandable, because uh, bytecode is like only a zeros and ones, so it should translate into a machine understandable code. So that is the work which JVM does, right? So yeah, this is all about some introduction of Java. So this is not much in depth of it. This is just like an introduction. So in the next session, let's learn about how to install Java. I mean, how to install this JDK in a Mac OS. Let's discuss about that in the next session. Hope this video helps you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you.